Hello guys, and welcome to the first MLB Redbird recaps for the St. Louis Cardinals. And the Cardinals are not off to a good start. They are 4-5 to start off. Pittsburgh leads the NL Central currently with a 7-2 record, which is surprising everybody. So, St. Louis is not off to a good start. So today, Colton Wong started it off great and gives St. Louis the lead with an RBI single. And it stayed 1-1 for a while. And then, of course, someone had to break the tie because someone won, which were the Diamondbacks. David Peralta hit a tie-breaking 2-run homer off of Dominic Leone in the 8th. A.J. Pollock went deep later in the inning, and Arizona Diamondbacks beat the St. Louis Cardinals 4-1. So, the bench is cleared in the second. After Yadier Molina got in a fight, but we're not off to a good start this year. So, hopefully we will turn this season around and do better. So, thank you guys for watching, and tune in tomorrow for the next Redbird recap.